let's see. Obviously we need one in the mouth where he's been hooked. So let's just take something like this. Now obviously part of this would be through his mouth. So what we could do is actually break this. Take the back of a paintbrush and kind of poke a little hole there. Kind of insert that just slightly, like so. Okay, and then this would be coming out, and I'm not going to put it right in the same hole because it'll probably push that one out. I'm going to put it a little bit lower, like that. Now you could attach, if you're worried about it falling off, you can attach it with a little bit more chocolate if you feel you need to. Depending, you know, if you're going to have this at your home or if you need to transport it. And then the next step, a lot of these hooks would have a little fly on them, so we're going to put the little fly right here like it was part of the hook. So that's what's going to cover that spot up. Okay, so for this I need something to attach it, and just use whatever I have around here. See if this chocolate is set up yet. So we'll just take a little bit of chocolate underneath here. It's almost set, but it's going to be, that's enough to hold this. Okay. Poor little guy, poor little feller. Oh, ouch. Okay, and now what do we need? We need our, I'm going to attach that since I've got the chocolate right here. There we go. Now I need the fishing line, right? This is where you get your workout, people. You could just roll this out if you'd like. I like the thinner line, and then it's harder to get a thinner line just by rolling it with your hands. So I like to use this. It takes longer because the opening, the hole that I'm using is small, and so I've got this big piece of fondant trying to get through this smaller hole, and fondant's kind of firm, so it just takes a little while. Now what we can do is go ahead and put that through the hook like so. Now this, the line can go wherever we want it to go, so I kind of need to look at it up close so I can see it, and then just kind of have it laying across the fish, or you could have it back here. Actually, I might want it back there. We'll see.